So AI, OpenAI and ChatGPT have been trending like crazy over the past month, guys. And if you haven't heard about it, you should definitely watch this video until the end because this is life-changing and this is definitely a huge break in technology. This can help you do your homework, help you do your assignments, help the teachers make a lesson plan, help so many people. So as we already know, guys, what is AI? AI, which stands for artificial intelligence. Of course, I'm sure you know what artificial intelligence is. Machines, technology. Well, it's got its good sides and its bad sides, of course, and it's definitely gonna make so many people to lose their jobs. People are already losing their jobs, but then we gotta look at the good sides. I think so many people said the same thing when the internet came about. They said, "We're gonna lose jobs because of the internet." Of course, people lose jobs and people gained jobs because of the internet. And now we got the artificial intelligence, which is the AI, and we have ChatGPT, which is at the forefront of AI advancement. So let me show you what we're gonna be talking about today in this video, guys. ChatGPT. This is it. Well, let me try to figure out a captivating intro for this video. So ChatGPT is gonna give me an interesting intro for you guys. So let's see what it gives, okay? Write a captivating intro for a YouTube video. Let's see what it gets, guys. Of course, you can see, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to be exploring the mysterious world of, input your topic, from interesting fact or statistic to amazing discovery. We're going to uncover all the secrets and delve into the unknown. So grab your popcorn and get ready to be amazed as we take a journey into, you can give your topic. See you in the video. Is that not great, guys? Within few seconds, within probably 15 seconds, you got an intro, an amazing and a captivating intro for your YouTube video. Now, let's add something more, guys. And request viewers to subscribe. Yeah, let's see. Welcome to our channel. If you love this, insert a topic, then you're in the right place today. We're gonna be exploring. I've never seen before. Trust us, you don't want to miss this. But before we dive in, we want to ask you a favor. If you enjoy our content and want to see more, please hit the subscribe button and join our community of subscribers. Is that not great, guys? This is technology. This is life-changing. This is game-changing, not just for YouTubers, for everyone. If you are a social media content creator, if you're a blogger, no matter what you do, this can definitely help you even at your workplace. So many people are definitely doing the best to learn so much about it, and people are already making so much money just using the AI tools. Of course, there are so many tools, but OpenAI seems to be the main company that deals in AI tools, especially with the ChatGPT. It's trending just like when the internet came about, when social media came about, and of course just like NFTs 2 years ago. This time around it's ChatGPT, and you watching this video right now are still very early. So if you want to get the insights about ChatGPT, about AI, about artificial intelligence, which has been highly trending lately, watch this video until the end. Hey guys, William here. Thank you so much for coming to this channel. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to click the like button because of course it helps the algorithm support this video and support my channel. And of course, if you love the video, don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this, which will definitely help you increase your financial portfolio and more. Well guys, the very first easy way to help you make money with ChatGPT and with other AIs, of course, is through freelancing. Freelancing is one of the easiest ways for you to start right now and start making some cash. Well, of course, you know, freelancing in the past, before the internet, people used to go physically, meet other people, find businesses. If you're a writer, if you could write anything interesting for a newspaper, you could go meet someone physically. But when the internet came about, it changed the whole game. People moved from physical to online, selling their freelance services online to people who needed them. Due to the fact that AI can write emails, write scripts, write essays for like within seconds, it's mind-blowing, guys. So it definitely makes freelancing so much more easier. You don't need to stress your brain, you don't need to brainstorm anything you think about. So what you just gotta do is this. You can head over to Fiverr or Upwork or freelancer.com and just create an account. Of course, if you don't have an account yet, but if you already have an account, you have no problem. You just gotta head over there, create an account, then you can decide which option you want to work on. You can post your services very cheap on these platforms, and then when you have clients, they're gonna tell you what they want. For example, if they want a product description script, if they need ideas for social media posts, all you gotta do is to head over to ChatGPT and type it in, and ChatGPT is gonna give you all the accurate answers within a short period of time. Sometimes it takes just a minute or even less for you to get all the answer, and once you are done, you just gotta head back over to Fiverr or Freelancer or Upwork and you upload it for your client, and of course, if your client is satisfied, they're gonna pay you, and that's how you earn some money. Remember guys, as time goes on, more people are gonna catch up to this trend, and as they catch up to the trend, of course the demand for freelancing is gonna drop even more. Why? Because more people are gonna be able to use ChatGPT. They'll be able to go to ChatGPT themselves and just ask the questions that they want, and of course get what they need. They will not need a middleman to help them handle all of this, which is why now is the time guys. Remember, like when the internet started, those who were early enough to make use of the internet, they gained a lot in the long run. Just looking at NFTs 2 years ago, when NFTs started, those who got in early, those who learned as much as possible, they gained a lot before many more people came into the trend. But of course, this is definitely different from NFTs and other advancements because it is groundbreaking and it cuts across all walks of life. It can definitely help you no matter what field you find yourself in. Or if you have someone who needs your services and wants something, they just tell you the topic of what they want, they explain what they want to you, and what you just need to do is to go to the AI, maybe ChatGPT, and just type in what you want. And ChatGPT is gonna give you direct, very concise answers as easy as possible and within the shortest time period. Of course, using platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer.com, these are the most popular websites where you can sell your freelancing services at various rates, and of course you determine your prices depending on how good you can satisfy your customers and definitely make them want to come back to you later. Now guys, heading on to number 2. This is the second way which a ChatGPT AI bot can definitely help you boost your income, boost your business. If you are someone who sells online, or if you are someone who has a business, maybe drop shipping or more, of course drop shipping has been trending over the past years, the ChatGPT AI bot can help you write a product description for your business, and it can do it within minutes, within seconds, depending on how many product descriptions that you want, and it's definitely gonna get the best for you. So if you are someone who sells online, maybe you sell food stuff, maybe you sell clothes, maybe you sell jewelry, anything that you sell, you can definitely get the best product descriptions from ChatGPT. You can make it funny, you can make it captivating, you can make it exciting. You just need to give the command to the bot and it's gonna make you perfect the way that you want. Of course, you just gotta identify your target market, know who you are selling to, and then you can know the best description which suits your target market. Of course guys, gone are those days when product descriptions used to be boring. Even if you sell on WhatsApp, even if you sell on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, you can definitely make your product descriptions much more captivating, interesting, funny, and attract more buyers to your product, of course, which in turn leads you to making more money. That is how it goes. This is 2023 guys, everything is different, everything has changed. You just need to catch up with the trend. Don't let it pass you by. Make use of it right now. This is extremely helpful for those, especially those who are in the dropshipping sector. Maybe if you sell on Amazon, if you got a store on Shopify, doesn't matter where you have your store. If you are thinking about how to make your product description more interesting, more captivating, ChatGPT got you covered. This AI's got you covered. You just need to go explain the kind of product that you have, the kind of description that you want, and how you want it to be. If you want it convincing, if you want it funny, if you want it casual, you can get all of that on there and get it onto the website where you are selling your product. When somebody reads that, they're gonna feel, oh, this is interesting, this is amazing. That is how you get buyers for your business, and that is how you make sales. That is how you make more money, that is how you make more income, and that is how you grow. Now guys, let's say for example, I want to make a product description for a self-stirring coffee mug. My coffee mug. Let's say I just want to sell a coffee mug, right? I sell coffee mugs and I want to make a product description for that coffee mug. So let's head over to ChatGPT and see what it gives us. Write a product description for a coffee mug. Let's see what it gives us. That's an amazing description, guys. If I read this on Amazon or on Shopify, anywhere, I would definitely want to try out this mug. Now let's add a catch to this. Write a product description for a coffee mug. Make it funny. Let's make it funny. Let's see what ChatGPT gives us, guys. Changes the whole game, guys. Your product descriptions are gonna be amazing, all thanks to ChatGPT AI and other AIs out there. So you shouldn't let this pass you by, guys. Make sure you do your best to take advantage of this trend right now before the whole world catches up to it. And now, good people, after the very first two, let's head on to the third, the last but not the least. You can write articles and blog posts just using ChatGPT, guys. If you're a blogger, if you write articles for a magazine, your job just got so much more easier. You can get ideas out of ChatGPT. You can make all your readers return to your blog, to your magazine every single day just to read the amazing content that you're gonna start putting out there. If you love writing and you don't have enough time to maybe come up with the ideas, maybe you don't have enough time to come up with enough material for your article, you can definitely head over to ChatGPT. If you have any idea at all, just ask and it's gonna give it to you. You copy and of course you can proofread, do a few touches, put it in your own way, and you're good to go. You can definitely make posts or articles within 30 minutes and you're done. Every single day you can now make articles for yourself, for your blog, for your magazine, which definitely makes it easier for you guys. Of course, blogs no longer trend as before, but people still make a lot of money from blogs. And if you are now able to get all of the ideas for free this way, then you should definitely blow up your blog, guys. And the fun part is you don't need to spend a lot of time. You can write 3 articles within 1 hour, 30 minutes or what. You just gotta get the idea from ChatGPT, proofread, put it in your own words, make it your own way, and you're good to go. That is if you want. Because ChatGPT makes it what? Funny. If you want it to be funny, ChatGPT can make it funny. If you want it to be captivating, it can make it captivating. If you want it to be casual, interesting, scary, it can definitely make it scary. Any option that you want, you can get it from there. So what you just need to do is to learn the right inputs for the AI bot, and you can get the best out of it for your field of work. So this is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that you have learned the new advancement in this technology. AI is definitely changing the whole game. So many people are catching on to it, and so many people are definitely making use of this, and some people are already making money out of this, and you too can do the same. Of course, it's not currently available in every single country all over the world, but then most countries already have it and they're already making use of it. And if you are in any field at all, if you are in the medical field, if you are in the entertainment industry, if you are in any kind of industry, if you are a music producer, if you are a musician or a story writer, you can definitely get all your ideas from here. You can write a whole business plan on this AI. You can do every single thing. You can get a whole strategy on this AI. And guys, if you've learned something from this video, feel free to like and subscribe so that next time you're gonna see more videos like this. And of course, you liking this video is gonna help the YouTube algorithm push this video forward for more people to be able to learn and come to this channel and also learn more and be just like you. So thank you so much for watching this video. This is Willen. See you next time.